Forgive me for my ignorance, but why is gold good to have in a high inflationary? You don't even have to say forgive me for my ignorance. You don't have to say that kind of stuff. You guys are here to learn, right? That's why you're here. That's why I do these Q&As. It's for you guys to be able to ask questions. Gold is an inflationary hedge. It's, commodities tend to do well in higher inflationary environments. Precious metals, oil, coal, natural gas, all of these commodities tend to do well in high inflationary environments because during inflationary environments, the price of things moves higher. Okay, it's literally what inflation is. Typically, oil companies tend to do very well because the price of oil tends to go up when inflation is high, and oil companies also pay really strong dividends. Okay, so that's also another plus because investors look for dividends to kind of counteract the effect and the erosion on the value of their money because of inflation. So if you have inflation, right now it's 8.6%, but if you have inflation of 5% and you can buy a stock that gives you a 4.5% dividend, you're essentially canceling out the erosion of inflation on your money just by owning that stock. And then any upside in the equity itself, like if the stock goes from $50 to $60, that's a 20% gain. So you'll get the 4.5% dividend plus the 20% gain on your money. And that's how investors try to escape, the erosion on their capital of that inflation causes. So gold as a precious metal is just another one of those commodities that tends to move up in price as inflation rises. And that's how it's been historically since the age of, the beginning of time, since I can remember.